It's our independence, and we're very happy say Nigeria is 55 years today.
Yes.
But I know say a lot of people they talk say there is nothing for us to celebrate about Nigeria. Nothing at all to write home about Nigeria. But now we don't sit down to give you some facts where you need to know about Nigeria and how rich your country actually be. Where you don't know. Or maybe you know, but you don't want to know.
Where you know, but
Not
don't
know,
believe
but they don't, as I know just want to say we get
I know, but not tell me.
Yes,
Don't tell me exactly.
All right, number one fact about Nigeria, what you need to be proud of, we say Yorubas get the highest number of twins for inside the world. Now, this will not be our mouth. According to Wikipedia, about 1 in 19 human births say results from a twin pregnancy. And the rate at which the thing they actually come outside, say they among the ethnic group with the Yorubas, and they get highest percentage of twin births for inside Yoruba.
But who be Yoruba for you, beg?
So if you want to get twins, marry a Yoruba somebody today.
But I don't know whether I'm supposed to
just marry Yoruba.
I don't know whether I'm supposed to agree. You know, say with I believe say na Igbo get and pass.
No.
Why? Because in those days when Igbo they born twins, they know they ever agree to allow those twins dey. Then they always throw them.
And so then lose the right to actually say that
they lose the right.
Then lose the right.
See, if he get a place now, person call us on top radio one, they tell us. Wait now, person call us on top radio one, they tell us about a particular town for inside the Yoruba and the ethnic group where it be say everybody they born twins for that place. They don't know whether not the food whether they eat or the yam or something.
Actually,
like what this research
there is this research that
some science
because
is
of the
carried
yam
out.
flour, not be amala. The yam flour where they chop.
They help them. They
so if you want
twins.
born twins, begin to chop amala.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Because when I just see for yes.
No, not beside one twin, so. But some people now go focus on.
No, not be any amala. Because
no chop amala, get kwashiorkor.
See, not be any amala. Because when I see this research, I remember what the person tell us. They said some scientists carry out research study and they suggest say you get one chemical where they see for inside the women for the tubers of yam where they feel say they're responsible for their ability to give birth to twins. So you need to come from that particular group for you to take eat that yam, not be just any.
But any of them here be twins?
No.
Any of them here one born twins?
Yes.
Chineke. 3 of them at the same time. How about 3?
Yes.
4.
No. Yes.
2 is okay by me.
I'm
fine with 2.
This Benin babe say yes for 4. She
didn't
even say yes for 8 self.
Yeah, 12 self.
All right, number 2 thing what you need to know about Nigeria, what you need to be proud of, be say, now we be the most populous black country. We plenty where we all know that one.
Yeah,
we are multiple.
Plenty. We're plenty where so
we
you need to be happy. That one means they tax. They pay tax where
very well, yes.
Is it?
Do we? You don't pay tax.
It depends on your location.
I pay my tax.
We
pay our tax.
It depends on your location. Somebody they ask one guy one day say, "Are you married or not?" Say it depends on the location.
I need to give you number 3 fact about Nigeria, and you need to know about this one. Now,
I know the one.
The walls of Benin City.
No wonder
now the world's largest man-made earth structure. Benin, whether they insult. Now the walls of Benin City, now the world's largest man-made, use our anti-maker, we not use machine, man-made structure.
Who the world help?
You can, yeah.
So wait, the world don't work out.
Make me proud.
The world
make you only you proud.
Yes, make me proud. It's like you have your certificate and then you're proud of it. And
so the world don't finally move.
Yep, me.
Yep, you.
It's not moving anywhere because that world they protect us.
The world
they protect you.
All right. The next one you need to know about, the facts what you need to know about Nigeria, we say Nigeria has the 5th largest number of goats in the world.
Oh, it's here.
It's no one of the next one say where.
My sister.
Hence, plenty that that guy with the beg money, they behave like one.
No way.
I'm sorry.
Punchline.
Man.
Uti,
you have supporters.
People fighting for you.
Yeah.
You have supporters.
That's a big shade anyway.
Yes.
All right. The next one you need to know about Nigeria, I would say Nigeria is the world's largest yam and cassava producer.
Why we never begin to make money from them?
Because
we never sabi use them well.
Yes, that's one thing about Nigeria. Because
they
we get all
produce
the
the oil where they will take chop the yam.
Exactly.
So they focus on the oil, leave the yam.
They leave the yam, exactly. Point.
Okay, so now today on Independence Day, all our leaders, we need to begin to focus on the yam.
Let's go to the farm.
May not
We
give
don't nearly
expensive.
finish the oil. Whether na groundnut oil, whether na engine oil, all of them.
But the oil.
So let's go to the farm.
We need to enter farm, yes.
And most of them need to farm, so I go fit sell them.
I can farm. Growing up,
No,
I
I said you need to farm. I go help you sell and go
Lazy
market
booby.
and well.
Nobody drag the selling.
I think they always sell it.
They like money past their self.
Like money.
All right, the sixth thing you need to know about Nigeria is that Nigeria has the longest bridge in Africa. Tell
Yes.
me what bridge is that one? The third mainland bridge is for inside Lagos, and they say it measures 11.8 kilometers, and are the longest bridge for inside Africa. The bridge debuted by Julius Berger Nigeria Limited, and they opened by President Ibrahim Babangida for inside 1990.
Well, thank God for the bridge today.
Largest
I
bridge in
shape water
Africa.
like that.
Oh, Tim.
Team Godfrey.
Team Godfrey.
Independent day na every day so.
Okay. And then thank God say the bridge being shake but no fall. So it doesn't that doesn't have one day now Friday the bridge go fall. So people call the fear to pass that place on Friday.
And that bridge go free that day. It go free.
Jesus Christ.
Nah, it come bridge go come suffer.
Good news. Sorry.
Some people don't like that bridge actually. Then they feel say the distance from the beginning to the end, they very long, and they on top water. So the only fear that they get now, say besides those we get phobia for water, they're going to fear say if I mistakenly land.
You know, my issue with that bridge be say, if to send a bridge where be say they're free, I don't mind say they're on water because before you count 1, 2, 3, you don't pass.
End.
But when you did traffic on top that bridge, now that's how you go, they think some kind evil thoughts for your head. Say, listen, just.
But at least we just try and now we get the longest one.
Yes,
And we try, and then they maintain them. Small.
And now we get, and for that place we get the longest traffic. So all of them are still part of what you will try and put inside.
Team Godfrey.
You are a Nigerian.
A very serious Nigerian. You
You
know.
are a Nigerian.
No.
It go better.
Another one where you need to know about Nigeria, but say, we don't involve for inside one kind rap freestyle compete, and one Nigerian born, but in stay for America.
But claim am as
Nigeria.
Nigerian.
Yes.
We not claim
Nigerians
am.
are
Nah,
bigger than
Nigerian.
things. Who
No,
sabi that
excuse you.
kind
No, I
thing
don't
too
go agree.
much.
Wait, brother, wait. Sister,
For America,
pause.
now they don't claim.
No,
America.
him na Nigerian. Him just grow for America. Na different thing, oh.
Just as Selena Odion.
If they cut him blood, na green and white, oh. Yeah, so the blood no get blue or red. Na green and white. So it's a Nigerian.
Exactly.
he's a
Selena
Nigerian.
Odion too is a
Just
Nigerian.
like
Abi.
Chiwetel Ejiofor. He's a Nigerian.
Is it Nigerian?
Yes.
Just
Uzo. What's
For inside orange is the new black.
Yes,
She's a Nigerian.
That's how proud of
I'm a
you.
classic
Nigeria
man.
Betiana, Wazobia TV.
She's a Nigerian. Amaka. Uwi.
Nigeria babe.
Princess Uwi. She's a
Sorry.
Nigerian.
She's a
From
princess.
Edo State.
Royalty.
Benin. As if from Benin.
Is this green
I'm
or
proud to
blue?
know you.
Yes, you have to be proud.
Only say
Where you come from?
that.
Italy. China.
Nana be people. Nana don't take over Italy.
I don't tell you.
Hey.
No, I never tell you before. I never tell you before.
That is
You don't say another person
supposed to
don't
your.
say this
Supposed to
before.
So what they one of thing
So
want
what
to
about the
achieve?
thing go talk? Say Benin people don't overthrow Italy.
No, I never tell them before, so we don't move base.
No, move go.
America.
Then go throw away now with broom.
No. We don't go anywhere. We are there.
How you guys always take over?
Yes, we take over.
Street to take over.
We taking over.
Snare. Oh yeah.
I will finally marry Benin girl. If I don't take over America, because I want to be in charge of America too.
Oh, so there's a reason.
Uwi is very available, Abi.
The next thing I need to tell you facts about Nigeria is say Efru na the first published book by Nigeria. Efru.
Yes, it did worry.
Now the first published book, the first published book by a Nigerian woman. Now, if you never read this book, you need to go read them because I don't understand why you could know history without actually reading the book. By a Nigerian woman and the first international published female novel for inside English and for Awakpa for inside 1966. So please try and get this book and read it because that's something what you need to know about Nigeria. Nigerian women are doing a lot of things, good things. Yeah.
Right
Good.
now we are trying.
Good important things. Now, trust me, this particular facts will we give you, not just a tip.
No, surface.
Yeah, because we know say now we be the world's largest producer of oil, even though we know say our oil don't cost plenty while for inside of Nigeria.
What's
No,
going to
no,
happen
talk
now
too
be
much.
say, una way the house, you're going to need to enter Twitter. Tell us those facts where we never mention for here. Facts about Nigeria because then our independence day. So tell us plenty facts.
Especially those
We
up
need
for
to
your
learn.
village where we say nobody know.
Nobody knows.
Before we go on a break, even though we start the show without appreciating our country. You know, for you to appreciate your country, you need to sing the national anthem.
I be they clear my voice that time. I don't clear.
So we all have to sing the national anthem,
We
and
go
then
start and we go start.
it leads us to the break.
So
Yeah, let's go. Arise.
With that voice.
No, I got to come deep.
No, go take a step by step. When you sing, Arise, go this one, go this one.
I'm going to do it together.
Give me lead
Now, one
singer.
Nigeria,
You
don't
need to
scatter
lead.
us.
You be
Don't
the
scatter
lead.
us for Nigeria.
No.
Don't scatter our
Lead
country.
singer.
Yeah.
Sing.
No, we'll start to
Just
They
start.
said for the man shall be the head.
And what a man can do, a woman can do better.
So are you residing?
Arise, oh compatriot. Let's go. Nigeria's
call
obey. Only two of us here.
I'm quite mistress.
serve our Father's land
with love and strength and faith.
Conductress. The
Labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation born in freedom, peace and unity.
So better than crown it.
Sing the second
I
stanza.
pledge to Nigeria,
Nah, sing the second stanza.
faithful, loyal, and honest.
Lawyer.
To serve Nigeria's
with
number
all my
first.
strength, to defend her unity.
And I'm not
Uphold every.
So help me, Baba God.
Will they come back after the break?
wait.
We get them or not? Will they come back?
She embarrass me for wasting her.
I do go there now. As I be now, my name is Gideon Okeke on the watch.
Talk Talk
within our show.
On top Wazobia TV.
Wazobia.
Are they for Wazobia TV now?
Don't change that channel.
Hold on right there, not do yourself.
You suppose stay on that dial. Not go anywhere, I beg no.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.